guys, on this video I am going to teach you how to make money machine on Scratch. At the end of this video you are going to be able to make a game just like this one. Let's get started. So the first step of making the money machine game is making the menu of the games. So first go to the title sprite and add when green flag is clicked block, and then when green flag is clicked it will broadcast start menu like that. And then when I receive start menu, it will go to X0 and Y80. It will also set size to 100. After that it will show. And then go to controls and add a forever block. Go to motion and add a glide 1 seconds block. It will glide 1 seconds to Y70 and then glide 1 seconds to Y80. Let's test it. That works perfectly. Stop the program and then go to events again and add when I receive start menu. Go to controls and add another forever block, and then add an if then else block. So if the title is touching mouse pointer, it will repeat until block. Repeat until size equals 110. And then it will change size by 1. Duplicate this one. If it's not touching the mouse pointer, it will change size by -1 until the size is 100. Let's test it. Click on the green flag. Every time it's touching the mouse pointer, it will increase its size. Every time it's not touching the mouse pointer, it will decrease its size. Okay, that is smooth graphics. Okay, after making the title, go to the play button sprite. Just stop the program first, and then add a when I receive start menu, it will go to X0 and Y-70. It will also set size to 100, and don't forget to add a show block. After that, add a forever block. Forever, it will glide 1 seconds to X0 and Y-80. After that, it will glide 1 seconds to X0 and Y-70. Okay, let's test it first. Okay, it works. Stop the program again. And then, when I receive start menu, forever, if then else block. So if the play button is touching the mouse pointer, it will repeat until the size is equal to 120. Okay, it will change size by 1. Okay, and then duplicate this code, put it here. It will repeat until size equal 100. Change size by -1 like that. Let's test it. Click on the green flag. It works. Okay, now when I hover on the play button increases size very slow. To increase the speed of the increasing size, it will change size by 2, and if it's not touching the mouse pointer, it will change size by -2. Let's test it. Okay, it's increasing its size really fast. Okay, that works perfectly. And then go to events and add when this sprite is clicked. When this sprite is clicked, it will start sound suction cup. It will also broadcast new message and it's called start game. And then when I receive start game, it will hide. And then drag it into the title of the sprite. Okay, let's test it. Just gonna put it here. Click on the green flag. Okay, let's play. And it works perfectly. Every time I click on the play button, it will play sound suction cup and start the game. On to the next step. The next step is making the close button, okay? To start with the close button, go to events. When I receive start game, it will go to x negative 195 and y 135. It will also set size to 80. Don't forget to add a show block, okay? And then add a forever block. If then else block, okay? And then if touching mouse pointer, it will repeat until size equal 90. It will change size by 1. Okay, duplicate this code. It will repeat, and if it's not touching the mouse pointer, it will repeat until size equals 80 and it will change size by -1. Put it here. And then when I receive start menu, it will hide. And then go to events again. When the sprite is clicked, it will start sound suction cup and then it will broadcast start menu, which is the function of a close button, okay? Click on the green flag. I'm going to press the play button, and as we can see here, the close button appears here, and every time it's touching the mouse pointer, it will increase its size, but every time it's not touching the mouse pointer, it will decrease its size, okay? Now I see a problem here that I set size into 100, which is supposed to be 80. Sorry about that. Let's just test it again. Click on the play button. So every time I click on the close button, it will broadcast start menu. So if you play the game and you want to exit the game, just click on this close button and you'll go back to the start menu, okay? So after coding the close button, go to the cache machine frame sprite and then add when I receive start game, it will go to x 0 and y -20. Wait, sorry. Y -20. It will also show. And then add a hide block and go to events. When I receive start menu, it will hide. Let's test it. Click on the green flag again. Click on the play button, and as you can see, the close button appears here and the cache machine frame appears here. As you can see, the cache machine frame is really good. I made it myself. The costume, it only has one costume. So I want to exit the game, so what do? I click on this close button and I will go to the start menu again. Okay, I guess that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I know this is a really short video. This is only part 1 of this video, okay? Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family. See you next time in the part 2 of this video. Bye!